long eye pencil, short eye pencil, spoolie.
For 5 minutes challenge. Alright.
Yeah, duh. And then my concealer. Okay, so I have a secret, everyone, and that's why I'm not looking at you. Just tell them my secret, Kendra.
She's browless.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you my eyebrow story and that day, but I wasn't technically born with eyebrows.
She's legit browless.
So I don't have eyebrows like every normal person does. So hi, I'm Bethel, like you know probably. And this is...
I'm Kendra.
Shout!
They all know I'm Kendra.
That's Kendra, a human being who I have to be friends with for specific reasons. Unfortunately. So today, we're going to be doing the eyebrow challenge. A 5 minutes eyebrow challenge. So I'm
5 minutes. Oh
she's an amateur makeup pro artist. I don't know how to do makeup. I mean, technically, she's not.
I try.
She's not pro.
I try.
She's amateur. Novice.
I'm
in the novice. She's in the amateur.
Yeah, that's true.
So we're just gonna do our eyebrows under 5 minutes. That's my phone. Let me so we're going to put the timer, and then these are our tools. I'm just gonna need a spoolie.
How many tools do you have?
No. This is a long eyebrow pencil, just in case the short one.
For 5 minutes challenge.
Yes, now this is a long eyebrow pencil. This short one. And then I have my spoolie.
Sure, you know before you open all this, 5 minutes has finished.
Don't worry. And then I have my angle brush. And then I have my Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX. Let me bring it close and be like an actual YouTuber. So I got my Can't Stop by NYX. That's it.
Well,
that's mine. What are your tools?
I only have 2 things. I just have my concealer, my Elegant Pro concealer. The one brush I just picked from somewhere in the house. I really don't know where I picked it from. Then my brow pencil.
Okay.
This is actually.
Continue now. Sorry.
How dare you?
Continue.
And my brow pencil. I'm not talking again.
Okay, so mirror down here. So that's why we're just gonna keep looking down. And let me set this timer thingy. So it's at 4 minutes and 59 seconds.
When did you just put it up?
I don't know. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so
1 second can. Oh my god, don't even go there.
Okay. 1, 2.
I pity you because my hand's already in my hand. So
why is your eyebrow look drawn?
No, it's not.
Let me.
You can clean this my natural brow.
Because we can't relate. Okay, so let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start again. Open this thing.
Are you serious, Bethel? You've not opened your. This is cheating.
What is it?
Because I have my brows. Exactly. Because Shami, let's talk. Let me never say anything because I know you.
My brother not drawing. Just I don't like this new. I don't like this new pencil. It doesn't draw as fast as I pencil.
Yeah. But this one too is new. I just opened it now. Oh my god, why do I feel that look? Yeah.
Remember what happened this?
Oh my god. You know I came back from yesterday, my past club.
Yep.
In the midnight.
It's in the afternoon.
Which afternoon? Midnight. It was a very good experience. But the fact I felt like 2 packets yesterday. Because I felt like I should yesterday.
We're so gangsters. Okay,
Let's
so
go.
we're actually going to a tow truck because it's a very cool experience. Like, I know what it's like to ride in the truck now.
Oh my god.
I was making that card. That is not that.
And so there was this
How
room.
many is it?
So, you mean mine? So apparently they told Bethel to go to. Oh, you want the one I went to return? Oh. So they told Bethel to go and pay. And the place where she went to pay was not cold. And then like, where they keep them. There was no one door there. And like,
We're making an action movie yesterday.
honestly, I felt like 2 pack. Then I shot 2 pack. Kind of like a brush. I'm not using. I was scared yesterday, honestly speaking. And the woman that told our car, she just left us. It's like, good night. Have a nice night.
What is she supposed to do? Stay with us.
Before we
Share
go,
our money.
in case they shoot us or something. Oh my god, I really don't know. Wait, how many people? Why is the time? Check better one line. My own I will do. I think I'm going to do only one, bro. So people see like, we should take it like that. Because I tried. Yeah. Bro, it's not something you do under pressure. God knows. But how many minutes do you need?
I don't know.
Seconds. Nothing is cheating, exactly.
I don't consider 1 minute for 41 seconds.
It's not true.
It's true.
See, I'm not going to do this. How?
That's what happens when you're not going to eyebrows. I have to do eyebrows every day of your
Oh
life.
my god.
I later all the time.
No, I legit don't know what I'm doing.
Just have respect for me.
I'm telling you, I'm supposed to sweat inside AC. Don't sweat inside AC. Don't sweat inside AC, oh my god. Chai. The Umbrella, if you see this video, I'm sorry I'm embarrassing you like this. Because I'm so of my friend.
You're cheating on me, Abby.
No, I'm not. No, No, like my friend, she'll be so disappointed. You're like, after everything I taught you, you come to comment and disgrace me like that. Better let's finish you. Hey. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy.
Are you even recording this thing? No.
Hey.
We just clean it and start again.
You are who? How many minutes now? I feel the time should be up by now.
Yeah, it's going to rain. Let's go.
So, thank God. I don't think I'm mad as I thought I would.
Still. Time up. Stop.
Yay!
Timer said we should stop.
It's okay. I don't look that bad.
Okay, so I'm guessing. Actually, you did good.
I did bad.
No, you actually did good.
I did. Like, do you see this one? This I just came out from the car today. Can you see what's going on here?
What about mine?
Yours actually. I just know you win me, Sha. Because she draws that every day. Like, that does not leave the house.
But my
Drawing her
concealing
brows.
it's not like perfect, but
But it's still good. Like,
Yeah.
you can go out, but I can't.
you can.
No. I don't want to cause accidents.
It doesn't look like on the side of your eyes.
My brows. Okay.
I follow the invisible lines that is on my brows. No, seriously, I
Are
always
you recording?
I'm recording.
Yeah!
I always feel like I have eyebrows, like invisible eyebrows.
No, but what I'm saying is that you're so much better at drawing brows than I am. Because I literally just follow my brows. So if I now have brow, I think I'll just draw. Like, you know those brows your mother draws when you're small? With black eye pencil, just do one like guns.
I
No,
can't
but
believe I
still,
actually use black pencil.
I cheated.
But my eyebrows have
I'm
evolved.
not proud
though.
of myself.
Jeez, if you see my eyebrows when I was starting out to draw eyebrows, horribly.
Oh my god.
That brings us to the end of this episode 1 of Better Than Kendria. If you'd like to see me do more videos with her,
With me.
oh my gosh,
With
if you'd like
me.
to see me do more videos with her, let me know in the comment section. And if you'd like to see an eyebrow
In case
tutorial,
you don't know, I'm the star of this video.
whatever.
Just in case you don't know.
Whatever.
Just in case
Oh
you
my
don't
gosh,
know.
let me talk to my viewers.
Okay.
So if you'd like to see me do like an eyebrow tutorial, let me know and I'll be glad. I'm more than willing to teach you how to draw eyebrows. Like real ones, not these fake ones I did. This 5 minute challenge, which I want. What's going to be my prize?
Price go. Jory, if you want to see, like,
She's going to make my hair for free. Actually, she's in the middle of braiding my hair.
Yeah, but I'm not done yet.
I'll show you guys next week in my video. You see my hair next week when she's done.
So if
with
you're in
this.
Houston, I braid hair.
Yeah, follow her on Instagram. It's gonna be right there. Or mine's gonna be right here.
It's gonna be right here, right here.
Exactly. And subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
See, if you are not subscribed, you're a witch, oh. Let me tell you, if that thing is showing red,
My village people will call for you.
I don't know why.
They love me.
You better subscribe,
I'm their own.
or else you ain't gonna be funny.
I'm a good background artist.
You ain't got. Even God cannot save you.
Wait, am I recording this? I always forget if I'm recording because this is.
If it's not recording, then push take video anyway. See, I'm not doing it again.
Thank you for watching. If you are still here at this point, you have put up with our stupidity.
Honestly, you
And
tried.
thank you for
I
being
cough
here
cap for you.
up to this point.
I throw salute.
We'll see you in our next video. By the way, the next video we're doing is going to be like a thrift shopping for winter clothes. Cause winter
Don't say it. Winter
is here.
is here. See, it's fall, but it's legit. Like, it's really cold outside. Like, it's just like
It's just
64
64
degrees.
Fahrenheit.
When
not
winter
Celsius.
comes, people should know that if I die, shall I just leave it for
We're
God?
gonna die.
I'm
So
gonna
tomorrow
die.
we're gonna go shopping for second-hand winter clothes.
Yeah,
And we're gonna probably do a vlog or a video. I don't know what we're going to
we
do.
will do a vlog.
Yes.
We will do a vlog.
We're gonna do a vlog tomorrow, so we're gonna post that here.
Yeah.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media handles, like I said before.
Me, I actually don't care, but if you want to follow, no
Don't
wahala.
follow her, follow me. You can
follow
open
me.
another account and follow me. I need the followers. And then subscribe to my channel, please. And
If you have not subscribed,
why have you not subscribed?
hey,
Subscribe.
Okay,
Because I'm a nice person. I mean, why not?
it's not even a matter of being nice, but if you have not subscribed, my brother,
I'm
and
threatening
sister,
you to subscribe.
even God
We
will
judge
not
you.
save you.
I am.
Sure.
Subscribe. I will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.